nyansa wo mu no say ade de ase ye di nkwasi asem ase de ye kodi akire yi agimisem ne ye kodi akire ade de ase ye agimifo kakra obi de ye nkwasi afo kakra. Do you see them talk about it? No, because our propaganda na ye den atonsuom. Intina me say I thank God I stood up because ankaman sorry am a year who said no krena haneda. And yeah, you want to say MPP communicators are, and the men can hoshi, and the men can hoshi, and come dear no. Sa papano equalization, no, ye perceive ye papano, ye perceive ye papano. So I say, Kediano, everybody say a kufad, dear, no, ye. But that's how saying I made the kufad no born who by into your mouth, no money, as say, pump. Picture never by now to assume. One year, the baby now to assume. The baby are now to assume. But a kufuado, and making sure say, obey keeping the quiet and stay focused on transforming Ghana. Because a non Ghana for pay. And none Ghana for here. Lawyer, may say we have audio, self-admitting audio. As a audio no to her. Now say girl we one number drew and who are no you pay for me. I'm coming to say your boss audio way today we are sending now. Now get away who says audio we appear. Now one shall come for now one number doing what now what you pay for on your nipa. I'm telling you this on the fact. Because that is supposed to be the last bullet. No Jane say no Jane say paper, no Jane say sa voice note me and son, or Jane say na exist you. Andra me amitie bi me de masuya ne tie. Na Maria ho kakra. But at the same time, na ye me te say onipa ne dwene ho say ko ba no de din say ye produce we ya ye wo de ye be producing to no munjini. Ghana, I'm telling you this. If we play that audio, and I know she knows these audios we are talking about, these 3 audios, you know, before no one say your boss audio no, na meet na say one day, I will bring one harmon on one. Next say Yankupon yo, menam kabetremo. Because the evil that men do would always live after them. It would always go with them. It would always follow them. Or Jane say, well, no one will be papa, will be our say no. Sikabi obenyanti. A din tan time bin more some obenya din din fun dinti. Ko fo bi papa tete no no. Ya be board you know one day. Go. While we are thinking about what to do for Ghana, Sankwasi Assembly na NDC for Kofa Bae. And a new tonsio. A tonsio na fe ye hu de society a yen kwasa driver for engineer kase ye koto to transport. Ewo bra mandated body so woman no make sure say ya toto to nia memu no woman kan hwe ne yakoso machi ne yakoye dede eno so ye no ma yetumi kan eba mu yetumi gina ya ye kase against that na eno so hey omadwane. They say they are not talking about increment of fuel bill. They are not talking about increment of car fares bill. They have to go and expose their ignorance and their incompetence again. The Kufuado aton Achimota forest. How? Just say Ghana for Ankasano a 2G yen. Like these people keep they be almost boba a pie woman still almost confaba na Ghana for GD. Ghana is the only country journalists bet ya someone one kasa nye cross check so the be news. Hey, and non siaka se ebo eya me Peter wan ena me abena wan ne adi bremo. Yo, native semnie. Yeah, Ghana foi. Se dia ye wo and ya say ya ton yi Achimota forest. Na Achimota forest yi o man ya japade na akoton o man be ya japade. Achimota forest no man be ya japade. Last moon ni hana me kire mu say asasi bi aban ba gibia no o gifre abusua ho. Bibia ya gibia ya gifre abusua ho. E ya abusua asase nkrofo bi na na ete wansa na aban ba. Now news for peja. Kasiaba yana say. And na the Achimota forest. Mini a oba kono ye twam nnua ni na. Ya ton ni na ye twam nnua ben. Wahu journalist no. Wo di free ya ton. Said your bekama adia na ye tan na Ghana ni be pesu obetie mo nkwase asem nti no. Say ye twam nnua ni na koto Ghana ni trim. Journalist ya ono na esa nko beka say aso ya ton na ye ton ye te sen. There be anu important masa journalist no Ghana ni journalist onimu sa Ghana ni journalist dey na say yanya beto ne dey say week way your platform no so yes pa ena enkai bokase egben every ship house abeso kan you say wan na eba yes say dey akufu Addo wonam na Ghana nsase ni wo twitwa ton ene we twa bia ma say John ene we twa bia ma idampare ene we twa bia ma agrada ene we twa bia ma usubempa nkwasi asam nko a yes na Ghana for dey keke kale wa aboniti wo mo Jimmy Ghana for Jimmy why do we do this to Ghana? Maybe same way they be say what do you gain when Ghana loses? What do you gain? Ghana didn't say MDC, what do you gain? Is this not this same Ghana you want to become president and ministers over? And you want to run it down and bastardize it into foolishly? Are you telling me, sir, when you are done degrading Ghana and destroying Ghana, now when you come to power, are you now come to restore all the lost glory it has lost? When you could have built upon the glory that is already being built? Kwasi abana de tonzo na kwasi afede driver for mra. Driver for de tonzo yes ejadi for mra. Ejadi for de tonzo ma afede yes hey yakoton Achimota forest. How? Me Achimota forest we me dia brochire de but answer na we beba no. Minimum whole shake kura minimum say 2016 and this is a fact and then am can be you know flyer omo ye no na nka me twehwe sa flyer no na nka me the administrator away chairman do not dey ato but my yes I mean honorable nka because I won the phone so I mean ni na di hu komo na nka o dey aba na ya twa say 2016 na ho na ye president na ade akufu Addo aton aden ye twa ho sword 2016 Ghana for let's be smart too. I have told you people say NDC has nothing better for Ghana. A Yeboka party. A Jimmy for what's our party no Dawson. I had a one to Bregu Yamni at Jimutian, no. A Dawson was our party no. We nipa 100 ya. When your papa will more 20 no crown, woman 50 Ghana, not your best son. How the hell do you tell me, say, President Mahama can cut a sword to make that place into a park? Yet it was sold under Akufu Addo. How? Akufu Addo ne sebe Mr. Mahama one the president kane. Enti se yakas wo bia to anka one ton ye. Sampa